Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. Welcome to Air Foundation School System, Iqbal Town campus. Hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher and I am here to teach you science. Students, open your science book. Today we are going to read unit number 1, that is ourself. First of all, you have to write date, day and classwork on the top of the page number 2. Name of our topic is human body. So let's start reading. Human body comprises of many organ systems. The skeleton system is a very important system. It helps in movement and in maintaining body shape. So our next heading is skeleton. All the bones that are present in a living organisms are collectively called skeleton. Characteristics of bones. It provides rigidity and strength to our body. If there would be no skeleton, our body would flop like a jellyfish. There are 206 bones in our body. Function of skeleton. In human skeleton, there are many bones and each bone has a particular function. Protection. Some bones give protection to the soft parts of our body. Skull protects the brain, ribs protects our lungs and heart. Movement. Some bones help us in movement with the support of muscles. Legs and arms help us to move around. So our next heading is vertebrates and invertebrate. Vertebrates have a backbone, spinal cord, and internal skeleton, while invertebrates do not have a spinal cord. Example of vertebrate is human, while of invertebrate is earthworm. Students, move to page number 3. Muscles helps in the movement of different parts of body. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. So next one is structure of muscles. Muscles are made up of fibers. These fibers have proteins. There are two different types of protein such as actin and myosin. There are nerves inside the muscles which carry messages to and from the brain. Muscles also contain blood vessels. Some muscles are under your control, like leg and arm. These are called voluntary muscles, while some muscles are not in our control, like heart muscles. They do their job on their own without even our thinking. These are called involuntary muscles. Then, types of muscles. Muscles move the parts of our body around. Many of them are attached to our bones. These are called skeletal muscles. Some are attached from one part of an organ to another part. Muscles come in 4 different shapes. First one is spindle shape. So spinal shaped muscles are like your biceps and triceps in your upper arms. It is thick in the middle and the thinner at the ends. We can see the shape when we bend our arm up. Second type of muscle is flat muscles. Flat muscles are the muscles that are in our diaphragm and in our forehead. Third type of muscle is triangular muscle. And triangular muscles are like the deltoid muscle at the top of our arm. This pulls our arm up and down. So students, move to page number 4. Fourth and last type of muscle is circular muscle. Circular muscles are sometimes called ring-shaped muscles. These are found in many places, including around the mouth, around the pupils of the eyes, and also where they close off the bladder and the anus when you have finished going to the toilet. We have 3 different types of muscles in our body. These are smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and skeletal muscles. Then, function of muscles. How muscles work? So, muscles work in pairs to bring about movement of bones at a joint. Muscles need to move to keep healthy and strong. We can help our muscles stay strong and healthy by exercising every day and using different sets of muscles when we exercise. Student, move to page number 5, and on page number 5 we are going to learn about our sensory organs. So we all know that we have 5 sensory organs and 5 senses. Let's read about these organs. There are 5 sensory organs in our body. These are nose, and nose helps us in smelling. Ear, ear helps us in hearing. Eyes help us in seeing. Tongue helps us in tasting, and last one is skin, and skin helps us in feeling, as you can see in picture. So student, move to page number 6. Role of brain in the use of senses. Our sensory organs function as receptors and receive the stimuli. Our eyes, our ear detect stimuli when we hear something. The way the stimulus travels through our body is described below, as you can see the picture. After our sensory organs receive the stimuli, it sends nerve impulses to the brain, which then interpret it and effectively decide what to do. It then sends nerve impulses to the related effectors. Some example of effectors are muscles and glands. So our second heading is health and diet, and in this topic we are going to read about food and balanced diet, how food make us healthy. We need food in the same way that a car needs petrol and fuel. Our body uses up energy every day, not only to walk or exercise but for everything. Our body is still using up fuel when it's asleep, as our heart and other organs are still working. So move to page number 7. Balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? A diet that contains adequate amounts of all the necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity is called balanced diet. A balanced diet contains sufficient nutrients from all the food groups. So there are 5 main groups of food. So food has been divided into different groups. These are fruit, vegetable, milk and dairy products, meat, fish, egg and beans, grains like bread, fries and pasta. Move to page number 8. What is the importance of food group? So here we will read about importance of fruit. Okay, fruits include apples, guava, grapes, oranges, mangoes, etc. Fruits are rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium and minerals. Vitamin C is important for our skin and helps in preventing diseases. Vitamin E slows the process of aging. Potassium maintains the balance of water in our body. There are lots of fibers in fruit and vegetables that help us in passing out feces from our body. Second group is vegetables. In this group there are second group of food is vegetable. This group consists of carrots, turnip, broccoli, tomatoes, and there are so many vegetables which make us healthy. So vegetables are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, protein, zinc and carbohydrates. Fibers helps in passing out of the feces. Vitamin C is important for our skin and in preventing diseases. Minerals help our body to function properly. Zinc helps our skeleton to grow properly and carbohydrates are source of energy. Eating a vegetable rich diet helps fight cardiovascular diseases, reduce risk of diabetes, and may help prevent some cancers, including those of the digestive tract. Third group is milk and dairy products. Make sure that you eat dairy products because it will help you to grow bigger, have strong muscles and bones, abundant in vitamin D and calcium. Dairy can come from a variety of sources such as milk, cottage cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Move to page number 9. Our fourth group is meat, fish, egg, and beans. Red meat, chicken, eggs, soy products, beans, legumes, seafood, nuts, seeds, and turkey belong to this group. Meat, fish, egg, and beans are rich in vitamins B, iron, zinc, magnesium, vitamin A, and protein. Vitamin B helps in the conversion of food to energy. Vitamin A helps in improving our vision. Protein is required to make us strong and to repair our body. Iron helps in carrying the oxygen to all parts of the body. Make sure to get a diet plentiful in protein to keep your metabolism burning and your body energized. Our last group is grain, which included bread, rice, pasta. The grain group consists of wheat, rye, oats, barley, and cereal. Grains are high in carbohydrate, B vitamins, and important minerals. We get energy to get through our busy day. These are also called brain food because these carbohydrates are the most important form of energy for our brain. Furthermore, grains have lots of fiber which help keep our digestive tract healthy. So, choose foods that are made with whole grain and less processed ingredients such as whole wheat bread, corn, whole grain, cereal, oatmeal, and popcorn. So, sweet students, now you have to read these pages by yourself and underline difficult words. So, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.